Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to make your own sound on TikTok on iPhone. So, open up TikTok, and first you want to record the sound, so just start recording. And you can use whatever sound you want while recording. Okay, and then do whatever you need, and you can tap next, and then post it. Okay, once you've posted it, tap on the button on the bottom right, and as you can see, you can tap use this sound in a new video. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if you found it helpful, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye.